Carmelita from jeffandcarmelita.com, and our desire is to empower, to inspire small business owners and entrepreneur newbies to live life on their own terms and make their dreams come true. Now imagine yourself in that position. Just take a minute, close your eyes, and imagine yourself in that position. That is super exciting. I've had the pleasure of doing that for the past 3 years. So let's get started with this training video that we're going to do today. And today we are going to share with you how to and what to do when you're placed on Facebook restriction by the Facebook algorithms. And we'll provide you with a free training called How to Stay Out of Facebook Jail. There will be a link to it just below in this post. So let's get started. I am going to share my desktop, and we're going to give you some tips on how to do so. Just a moment. All right, we are here, and this is my desktop screen, and we're going to go here. This is our Facebook fan page. Make sure you like and follow us on the Facebook fan page where you receive tips and updates and new trainings. Now, here are some tips that you can do if you're placed on Facebook restriction by the Facebook algorithm. We're going to go over 9 tips. So one would be to post to your own wall. You have control over your own wall and what you post. So you can share posts up to 3 to 5 posts a day, or even more, depending on whether or not you want to test, get yourself out there more in front of people, or you want to test and try. It's all about testing and trying in marketing and see what works for you. Number 2 is to like other people posts within the group. So you may be connected into some groups and you can't post in those groups, but you can still go to those groups and you can actively connect in those groups by liking other people posts or sharing other people's posts on your page. And then the number 3 is to share other people posts on your walls. You can go to people like John Maxwell to get a leadership tip and post that, or you have a friend that posts something good and you enjoy what they're saying on that post, you can add that post to your Facebook page. Number 4 is to follow and connect with others. You can still go in this group, so you can still follow those who have the follow feature on their Facebook page available. So you can go in the groups and connect and follow with people with like minds and in your target audience. Number 5, you can follow top leaders in your organization, and as well as connect and follow with people who follow those top leaders in their organization, as long as that follow feature is available. Number 6 is you can use other social media platforms. You can use things like YouTube. You can use things like LinkedIn. You can use Twitter and Instagram. Those are other things that you can, other platforms that you can use as well. And Snapchat is another one. Number 7 is post into groups and pages that you have administrative privileges on. If you have administrative privileges of them, you are in control of those groups, so you can post to your heart's desire on those pages. And you want to post relevant content, of course, and you want to share helpful tips that's going to help engage and grow your audience on those pages. And then number 8 is you can create how-to videos like this video that I'm creating now and share that on your social media platforms. Number 9 is to do more Facebook Lives. And with Facebook Lives, you get more exposure. It's a more active feed in the news feeds and with the algorithms that Facebook has. So those are our 9 tips today of what to do when you're placed on Facebook restriction. And remember, we're also going to include a link to how to stay out of Facebook jail also with this post. And then also, if you want to get a trial membership for MLSP and learn how to grow your Facebook fan page, I'll also include that link as well. So just like you see that popped up, every time you post in a group or every time you post something on a page or a group, people receive notifications on their Facebook notifications up here in this top corner. So there's 12 notifications there showing that people that I'm connected with have made some posts to their accounts, and that notifies us. So that's just keeping you active and in front of your audience and in the presence of your audience. So thanks for watching this video. I'm getting ready to share this to a Facebook watch party. I do have a Facebook watch party video on our page too that you can watch to learn how to do a Facebook watch party. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.